Hey guys, I'm on location, lot 76 at Cresswind Wesley Chapel. This is a Nicole, and you're gonna have to help me by counting full baths because I've got some great information for you. The amenity center is right over there, model row is right over there, and you're on a street that's pretty well built out, so you're minimizing construction traffic there. Well, it's kind of a really pretty hardy board, kind of a dark grayish brown, and look at that door. Wow, look at all the light coming in that door. That is gorgeous. Now this Nicole, I remember we had one of my YouTube subscribers come in some months back, and the couple bought a Nicole, and while they were out shopping around, I went and shot the model of the Nicole, and they call it my Nicky plan. Now see up in front, you've got just what looks like a bedroom, but if you're trying to convince your mom and or dad to come to the greater Charlotte area, guess what? This has got a full bath attached ensuite. And so how beautiful is that? If you could offer that to your parents and you say, well, that's just a room. Well, wait, right here's a room that could be used as a living room for them or a reading room. So in essence, I'm a big advocate for a multi-generational, having your parents under your roof if possible. So here's a second bedroom, and you've counted one bath so far, right? Well, here we go, another full bath. So that's two, I hope you're writing this down. 2 baths and 2 bedrooms up front, or what could be multi-generational. So you come in, it's just charming. You've got a tray right up in front, cased opening, meaning you've got some nice solid wood right there to define that space, and then light at the back. And look, that's just windows everywhere. Now, here up in front, you've got what some people could use as a dining room, put a table in there. Obviously, you could close that off with French doors with windows and make it an office with visibility in. They've got it already plumbed for a TV space right there. So this could be a secondary TV room. That's how I use mine. We call it flex space. But there's so many possibilities there. Same thing up here. Again, 8-foot doors, 10-foot ceilings, but then this trays up another foot or so. And then you've got this dramatic and gorgeous fireplace, plenty of room for some furniture, built-ins right there. And you could easily put some beams up there or a coffer and really decorate that out. Man, beautiful light cabinets, generous island, and just a really nice gourmet kitchen. The ovens and the cooktop are yet to be delivered. This one, I like the proximity to the amenities because number one, you could literally just walk out of your door and be right there. And if you're subscribed to my channel, you know that my signature shot is from here looking out. Nice, it's a really good broad island. You know, if you were a baker, you just got room to do all kinds of stuff here on that. And then you've got dining space back here. This is really the better spot for dining. Look how wide it is. So you've got an opportunity to put grandma's hutch maybe in that space. And then you've got windows galore. It feels like a sunroom to me, honestly. So how would you use it? Be great for a dining room table. You could get a good sized table in there. Here's another thing too about proximity to the amenity is that the pickleball courts are over on the other side. And yes, we have 12 here. And I say we because my wife and I have chosen to live in this neighborhood. And if you know me at all, you know I could have bought everywhere. I almost bought many places because I see them all. And we chose here. We like the builder and we love the neighborhood. And did I say 12 pickleball courts? So you've got a sink on this side, undermount, sink, and space, and you've got another one here, so you don't have to kill each other, right? And then you got a commode room back here. Now, one thing that my wife and I did, look at that big shower. Look at that big shower. That is nice, and I'm loving the transom windows up. It just floods it with some really nice light, and you've got some beautiful tile. Got a rectangular, easy to build out primary suite closet, and you're gonna probably wanna configure that and just build it on out. Oh man, so the pickleball courts are on the other side. If you've ever heard pickleball hitting that paddle, you know it's a little loud. So being on the other side, might make sense. I'm not sure I would want to live right next to the pickleball courts. I'm just telling you that. But my wife will be walking to them. She's a pickler. Let's go outside and take a look at the lot. By the way, I'm doing this for some clients in California. And if you're seeing this video, if it's public now, it's because they either bought it and it's a moot point for you, or they decided not to buy it, and I'm making it available to my subscriber base to consider it as well. This is really neat. So now that looks like the marker for the lot. So the lot probably ends right there, but look what this is. It looks like it's maybe some common open space, the landscaping. It might belong to the people of the other lot. Maybe it does. But that's some nice space. Boy, this is beautiful. I like this because that patio is not looking into that patio, and you can't see into that patio. So it's got a nice sense of space around it. Like I said, just priced just under $644. It's a good price. The homes they have available now are priced in the, this is a good sized patio. And by the way, what would you do? Would you put a motorized screen there? Or would you build it out with a screen at all, or maybe an easy breeze for some more living? Now, by the way, there's an upstairs. Have you counted 3 bathrooms already? That's where we're at. One up in the front that's part of is an ensuite to a bedroom. One next to it for that other bedroom and just common everyday use. And then one, obviously in the primary suite. So you got a build out there. You could do a lot of stuff with that. This is cool. Washer, dryer. And you've got a hall closet, and you've got a garage. Now this space up here basically is a bedroom and bath. A bedroom and bath, really. You got this nice big window shedding light there. Now literally you could put a door, you could install a door right there if you wanted to make this a bedroom with a door. Otherwise, this could easily, because you've got a closet, this could easily be thought of as maybe a media center, media room, TV watch space, but it's got a full bath on it. So again, depending on how you want to use it, without a door, your guests will feel comfortable, but not too comfortable that they'll stay too long. We want you to visit. Thank you for coming. Thank you for leaving. It's a great space. So guys, if this one could be right for you, the Nicole, the couple that bought from the West Coast, the other couple, they call it their Nicky plan. It's a great plan. This one's all ready to go, available for a quick move. So if you are ready to roll, you want to call me, I'll connect you to one of my team of buyer agents. If I can do anything else for you, like shooting a custom video, just like I'm shooting this one for them. Again, if you're seeing it, it's because they either bought it, or call me, or they chose not to buy it, and you can buy it, but there are more. They have a number of specs in the 600s. Give me a call, 704-345-3400. Never reach out to this builder or any builder without a buyer agent. Call me, I'll explain it to you. Thanks, see you in the next video.